Hei kaikille! Hello everyone! Today in this class I am teaching you the Verbi Tyyppi topic, that what does it mean by Verbi Tyyppi. So in the first step we say Suomessa on 6 Verbi Tyyppiä. In Finnish there is 6 verb types, from the Verbi Tyyppi yksi to Verbi Tyyppi 6. So first of all we will say the Verbi Tyyppi yksi, that what is Verbi Tyyppi yksi. Verbi Tyyppi yksi are those in which the verb that end by the kaksi vokkali. Like you will identify it by kaksi vokkalia. So esimerkiksi puhua. In the puhua example, you will do what? First step. Let me explain it by different step. Like identify first verb type. How you will identify? You will identify verb type by kaksi vokkalia. Like you see oo and ah, it's what? It's two vocal. So first step it's identify verb type. Second step is what? Remove a and a. Third step